Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a prompt in Deepseek AI. So in here, I have actually a prompt that you can use. So pretend that you're actually an AI video coach. So you can just input right here the actual purpose of the actual DeepSeek that you want them to be. So I want them to be an AI video coach. So we'll explain the parameters, and after that, they will ask us some questions and propose three concise creative options. So in here, just input your parameters that you want the DeepSeek AI to focus on. We have identity features, environmental atmosphere, as well as cinematic language. So I'll just head over and then copy this and then send this to DeepSeek AI. You can customize it to your liking, and you can actually use this particular prompt and everything. You can just customize them and tailor them to what you want it to be. So as you can see, it will ask us questions using these parameters. We have in here some options, and in here you can just choose or suggest your own for this one. So for the first one, you have identity features, and we have options for three options. Number two has three options as well, and number three will actually show up three options as well. And then in here, just answer which option you want to use. Response, so let's send it. Then after that, this will craft a tight cinematic version of that particular prompt based on the options that we have chosen. So here we have the final cinematic prompt. You can head over and then copy it and tweak it if you want, and you can actually input it on an actual video AI generator. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.